Attention homeowners, the Florida heat wave is coming. Due to the pandemic, air conditioning manufacturers are already experiencing major shortages, and this will only get worse with the summer demand. Don't delay. Call ECM, South Florida's #1 AC design specialist. We're one of the largest Lennox air conditioning dealers in the country and leagues ahead of the competition. We've been stockpiling our 69,000 square foot warehouse, and we're ready to support our customers' needs. For ice cold air today, call ECM, the company that cares.